ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयम्। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharata channel, where we are studying the Deepakam class 7 Samskrita textbook. In that, Dvitiyaha Pathaha Nityam Pivamas Subhashita Rasam. In the previous video in this playlist, we saw the lesson explanation. Now we see the exercises along with an explanation in the English language. Question number 1. Adholikhitanam prashnanam uttarani ekapadena likhantu. For the following questions, answer in one word in Samskrita Bhasha. Naraha katibhihi vakaraihi pujitaha bhavati. With how many vakaras will a person become adored or respected? Panchabhihi vakaraihi. With 5 vakaras. Vastrena, vapusha vacha, vidyaya, vinayena cha. Purushena, kati doshaha, hatavyaha. How many defects or bad qualities are to be discarded by a person? Shat doshaha. 6 bad qualities, 6 defects are to be discarded by a person. Buddhihi kena shuddhyati. By what does intellect become pure? Jnanena, by knowledge. Jalabindu nipatena kramashah kaha puryate. By the falling of drops of water, gradually what gets filled? Answer is ghataha. A pot gets filled. Alasyam kesham mahan ripuhu asti. Laziness is whose huge enemy? Manushyanam, of human beings. Next question. Nimna likhitanam prashnanam uttarani purnavakyena likhantu. Answer the following questions using full sentences in Samskrita Bhasha. Naraha katham pujito bhavati. How does a person become respected or adored? Naraha vastrena, vapusha, vacha, vidyaya, vinayena cha etaihi panchabhihi vakaraihi pujitaha bhavati. With these 5 vakaras, a person becomes adored or respected. Purushena ke doshaha hatavyaha. What are the defects to be discarded or rejected by a person? Purushena nidra, tandra, bhayam, krodha, alasyam, dirgha sutrata cha iti. Ete shad doshaha hatavyaha. I believe you know the meanings of all these words because we have already covered them in detail in the lesson video. Kasya buddhihi vistarita bhavati. Whose intellect gets expanded? Answer is yaha pathati, likhati, pashyati, paripruchhati, panditan, upashrayati cha tasya buddhihi vistarita bhavati. Next, kim kritva manushyaha navasidati. Having done what will a person not come to grief or to sorrow? Answer is udyamam kritva manushyaha navasidati. Having put effort, in fact lot of effort, a person never comes to any sorrow. Vyasasya vachanadvayam kim. What are the 2 messages of sage Vedavyasa? Vyasasya vachanadvayam paropakaraha punyaya bhavati parapidanam papaya bhavati iti asti. So, I believe you understand the meanings of these. Paropakaraha punyaya bhavati means doing good to others will accrue punya or virtue, merit for me, whereas doing bad to others will give me sin or papa. Third question. Udaharana anusaram shlokamshan yatha uchitam yojayantu means match the shloka parts appropriately. They have given one example here. Shaddoshaha purushayaneha hatavya bhutimichhata nidra tandra bhayam krodha alasyam dirgha sutrata adbhirgatrani shuddhyanti manasatyena शुद्ध्यति विद्यातपोभ्याम भूतात्मा बुद्धिर्ज्ञानेन शुद्ध्यति उत्तरं यत् समुद्रस्य हिमाद्रेश्चैव दक्षिणं वर्षं तद् भारतं नाम भारती यत्र संततिः जलबिंदु निपातेन क्रमशः पूर्यते घटः सहेतु सर्वविद्यानां धर्मस्य च धनस्य च. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. निम्न लिखितानां वाक्यानां समानार्थकान् श्लोकांशान् पाठात् चित्वा लिखन्तु. For the following sentences, write the shloka parts having equivalent meaning from the lessons. They have given a sentence here. Madhura Vanya Sarve Prasannaha Bhavanti. By pleasant speech, pleasant words, everybody becomes happy. Priyavakya Pradhanena Sarve Tushyanti Jantavaha. Parishramena Tulyaha Bandhavaha Nasti. There is no relative equivalent to hard work or putting effort. Answer is Nastyudyama bandhu kritvayam navasedati. Paropakarena manavasya punyarjanam bhavati. By doing good to others, a person accrues virtue or punya. Paropakara punyaya papaya parapidanam. Next, Hinda Mahasagarat Himalaya Paryantam Bharata Varsham. The land mass which is called as Bharata Varsha is between the Hinda Mahasagara, that is the Indian Ocean, and the Himalaya mountain range. Taram yat samudrasya himadreschaiva dakshinam Varsham tad bharatam proktam. Next, adholikitanam shabdanam udaharana anusaram paryaya padani likhanto. For the following words, write the synonyms as given in example. Vapuhu means shariram. Jalam means toyam vari salilam. Lochanam means nayanam netram. Dhanam means vittam dravyam hiranyam dravinam. Buddhi is Manisha, Dhihi, Prajna, Shemushi, Matihi. Ripuhu is Vairihi, Shatruhu. Next one. Before we go to the next question, we will review the Vibhakti table which we saw in lesson 1 exercise part. Akarantah pullingaha deva shabdaha vibhakti rupani. Devah devau devaha devam devau devan devena devabhyam devaihi देवाय देवाभ्याम देवेभ्यः देवात् देवाभ्याम देवेभ्यः देवस्य देवयोः देवानां देवे देवयोः देवेषु हे देवौ हे देवाः. In particular, in this lesson, we are concerned about the Tritiya Vibhakti, which is instrumental case. Devena devabhyam devaihi. Devena means by, with or through one deva in Ekavachanam, by two such devas in Dvivachanam, and many, three or more such devas in Bahuvachanam. By, with or through. That is the meaning. We'll see some more examples. Balaka example again here. Tritiya. Balakena balakabhyam balakaihi. And in Strilinga, in Akaranta Strilinga Lata Shabda, it will become Lataya Latabhyam Latabhi. Next, in Akaranta Napumsakalinga Phala, it will become Phalena Phalabhyam Phalaihi. For more information on the Vibhakti Rupas, please watch the video which is referenced in the description of this particular video. In my very channel, there is a more detailed video on Vibhakti Rupas. I suggest that you please watch that video. Now we go to the question. Atra idam avadheyam. We should know this. Tritiya vibhaktehe shabdarupani uchchaihi pathanto smarantu cha. They have given for pullinga, strilinga and napumsakalinga. Some examples we'll see. Chhatra, which is a student. Chhatrena chhatrabhyam chhatraihi. Shikshaka is a teacher. Shikshakena shikshakabhyam shikshakaihi. And strilinga, vidya, learning, education. Vidyaya, vidyabhyam, vidyabhi. Chhatra is a girl student. Chhatraya, chhatrabhyam, chhatrabhi. Next, Napumsakalinga, satya. Satyena, satyabhyam, satyaihi. Jnana, jnanena, jnanabhyam, jnanaihi. Kim, kena kabhyam, kaihi. Now we go to the exercise. You notice one thing. In Pullinga and Napumsakalinga, the Tritiya Vibhakti forms are similar. Chhatrena chhatrabhyam chhatraihi, shikshakena shikshakabhyam shikshakaihi, satyena satyabhyam satyaihi, jnanena jnanabhyam jnanaihi. Like that, we find similarity. You can compare with the Balaka table also, which I showed you a couple of minutes back. We go to the question. Adhaha riktasthanani Tritiya Vibhaktehe samuchita rupaihi purayanto. fill in the blanks with appropriate Tritiya Vibhakti forms. They have given an example. Sudha Khandena, Sudha Khandabhyam, Sudha Khandaihi. Sudha Khanda means chalk piece. Vrikshena, Vrikshabhyam, Vrikshaihi. This is Pullinga Pada, masculine. Lataya, Latabhyam, Latabhi. This is Strilinga, feminine. Deshena, Deshabhyam, Deshaihi, Pullinga, masculine. Punyena, Punyabhyam, Punyaihi. This form comes in both masculine and neuter, Pumlinga and also Napumsakalinga. Next one, Vinayena, Vinayabhyam, Vinayaihi. This also comes in both Pumlinga and Napumsakalinga, masculine and neuter. Next question. Kosthake padani vilikya subhashitam purayantu. Complete the subhashitas by filling in the boxes. Uttaram yat samudrasya himadreschaiva dakshinam varsham tad bharatam nama bharatiyatra santatihi. Next one. प्रियवाक्य प्रदानेन सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जन्तवः तस्मात् तदेव वक्तव्यं वचने का दरिद्रता. नेक्स्ट वन. उपर्युक्तानि सुभाषितानि पठित्वा रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयन्तु. रीडिंग द सुभाषितास fill in the blanks. आलस्यं हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थो महान् रिपुः तस्मात् तदेव वक्तव्यं वचने का दरिद्रता. There seems to be a printing mistake in your book. This word has to be struck off. Yaf pathati likhati pashyati paripruchhati panditan upashrayati. Sahetu sarvavidyanam dharmasya cha dhanasya cha. Vidya tapobhyam bhutatma buddhir jnanena shuddhyati. Now, they have given a short project work in your textbook at the end of this lesson. For that, we need to know the pat dhatu example, latlakara, present tense, to read the conjugation table. Pathati, pathatah, pathanti, pathasi, pathathah, pathatha, pathami, pathavah, pathamah. We see similar tables for vadati, vadatah, vadanti, vadasi, vadatha, vadatha, vadami, vadavah, vadamaha, and gacchati, and so on. For a more detailed video on Dhatu Rupani, please watch the video given in description for this particular video. We come to the Pariyojana Karyam, a project kind of work. Shuddha iti dhatoha latlakarasya rupani Sporaka patre likhitva anayantu means for the Shuddh dhatu, write the latlakara forms on a chart and bring it. So the Shuddh dhatu forms are Shuddhyati, Shuddhyataha, Shuddhyanti, Shuddhyasi, Shuddhyatha, Shuddhyatha, Shuddhyami, Shuddhyavaha, Shuddhyamaha. I would like to introduce you to a website called as Samsadhani, which is at the University of Hyderabad at this particular URL. In that, there is something called as a Kriya Rupa Nishpadika, which is a verb form generator, where I have chosen the Shuddh Dhatu from the drop down here and clicked on display the forms, and you can see the table shown here for the Latlakara. Shuddhyati, Shuddhyataha, Shuddhyanti. Whatever table I showed you just now, that table is available on this particular website by just a click of a button. They have given for all the other lakaras also, but for now we only bother about the lat lakara, which is Vartamana Kala, present tense. I am deeply indebted to Professor Dr. Mrs. Amba Kulkarni for having given me consent to include information about the Samsadhani website in this particular video in my channel. And I also would like you to consider as a future career option, since you are still young children and you have a bright future, bright and long future ahead of you over the coming years. There's a field called as computational linguistics, which is a blend, which is a harmonious blend of both traditional and modern. Traditional is the Samskrita Bhasha and modern is programming, Python programming, JavaScript, and all these programming languages. And that's how this Samsadhani tool has been developed and hosted on a website. So it's a blend of all of these, and it's a field called computational linguistics. This is also a computational toolkit in Samskrita Bhasha. Samskrita Bhasha is very much amenable to computational techniques, and this is something I would like you to consider as a future career option among all the options which are open in front of you. Next, they have given this second project work, Subhashiteshu Agatani तृतीया विभक्ति रूपाणि संगृह्य उत्तरपुस्तिकायां लिखन्तु तेषां प्रयोगं कृत्वा वाक्यानि अपि लिखन्तु. I'll do the first part, which is write the words in Tritiya Vibhakti forms in this particular lesson. So they are all listed here. Vastrena, Vapusha, Vacha, Vidyaya, Vinayena, Vakaraihi, Panchabhihi, Purushena, Adbhihi, Satyena, Tapobhyam, Jnanena, Jalabindu Nipatena, Divakara Kiranaihi, Priyavakya Pradhanena. The second part is here you have to write sentences using all these words, which I leave it as an exercise to you. Please do it as a group activity among a group of friends, classmates, among yourselves. There's one more question which is given, which is really a group activity. Subhashita Kanthapatha Vishaye Ekam Pratyogitam Varge Kakshayam Vidyalaye Cha Ayojayantu means organize a competition in your group, class and school about memorizing Subhashitas. Traditionally, Subhashitas are to be memorized, and in our school, when I was a child, they used to organize Antyakshari in Subhashitas, and it was a very interesting kind of a competition which I suggest you also organize in your school, and you can enjoy the wonderful language of Samskrita Bhasha. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. This completes this particular lesson. Nityam Pibama Subhashita Rasam. YouTube Amara Bharata. Shubham Bhuyat. Mangalamastu. Vande Mataram. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.